What's up, my gang? We're in Irvine right now, and we're about to get some Brazilian barbecue right here at Texas de Brazil. It's supposed to be one of the best all-you-can-eat Brazilian barbecue places here in OC. And we're about to check it out and tell you how it is. Let's do it. You gotta get the finest red wines when you're dining at Brazilian barbecue, guys. This one is the recommended one. Dial half solid. It's pretty good. So the first course of action at Brazilian barbecue is that you go to the all-you-can-eat salad bar. Get you guys some appetizers. So I just came back with his. I was saving the seat. So now I'm about to go in on that, and then we're gonna get some meat after. This is the salad bar, guys. Ooh, salami. What is this? Cheese, salami, cheese, salad, all the basics. About to go in. This is the special tonight, guys, lobster bisque. This looks really good. Do you know my Asian ass how to get rice, sushi, and raw salmon? But yeah, this is the special, guys, lobster bisque. Looks fire. And the salami and cheese for the wine. Got the Brazilian mashed potatoes and plantanos. If you guys haven't been to Brazilian barbecue, basically there's like a bunch of guys walking around with like big sticks of meat, paws, and then you have this thing on your table, and then if it's red, that means they don't come to your table. When you flip it to green, they start to hoard your table with a bunch of meat. So yeah, we're about to get our Brazilian barbecue on.
Which one is this one? Blank steak, sirloin.
Blank steak, sirloin.
Sir, medium rare?
Can I get medium rare? Yeah, I like it nice and rare.
Well, please.
Perfect.
I cut it. Enjoy.
I appreciate it. Look at this, guys. Nice and medium rare piece of sirloin steak. About to try it right now. This is the lamb chop.
How many people will? I'll take one. Thank you. Filet mignon.
Filet mignon. Take some of that.
One or two, medium?
I'll take one.
Yep. One?
One. This one's good. Thank you.
Enjoy. Top sirloin? Yeah, top sirloin.
Top sirloin, okay. I'll take it.
Thank you.
I take two pieces. Yeah, I'll just take the whole thing. Appreciate it. Parmesan pork, sorry, Omar.
It's got a little bit of seasoning, right? And a little bit of moisture, not too dry. So I do like that.
That's the sirloin, right?
Yeah. The sirloin steak.
Alright, about to try my medium rare. I think it's picanha, the sirloin. Supposed to be one of their best ones. Get a nice big piece for you guys. You good? Alright. Look at this, guys. See it? Alright. Let's see, my first piece of meat. Super juicy. This is really juicy, and it's not too salty either. The perfect amount of fatty. It's not super fatty, but it's tender. Take another bite. You can really taste the smokiness. This is delicious, actually. Alright, guys, gonna try the Parmesan pork. Let's do it. So I'm not a huge fan of pork in general, but that pork tenderloin was pretty tender. But I think I'm just gonna stick with the beef here, because I'm sure that's what they're famous for, right? Brazilian barbecue. Which one is that, sir?
Leg of lamb.
Leg of lamb.
I'll get it for you.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
No, thank you, man.
Thank you. So this is the leg of lamb. I'm gonna try it. It's really juicy, but it has a little bit too much salt for me.
Too much salt?
Yeah, for my taste.
How's the lamb taste for people who haven't had lamb before?
This lamb is it's pretty tender. It's a leaner. It doesn't have that much fat, but it's still tender. So you kind of have the feeling that it's fat, but it's actually pretty lean.
All right, guys, I'm about to try the leg of lamb. Like Hai said, super juicy, just the right amount of fat. Usually lamb is really gamey, but this one, the gamey taste is not too evident. It's really tender and juicy, and fatty as well, which is pretty rare for lamb, because lamb usually is tough, right? Yeah. So this is one of the highlights of Brazilian barbecue, these cheesy bread, guys. I've already had like 10. I'm like carving up right now like crazy, but these are so good. It's like crunchy on the outside, but super moist and cheesy on the inside, guys. So we got the top sirloin right here, my favorite. The lamb chop and the filet mignon.
So this is the pork. I forgot what version, but it's a little dry. So yeah, I don't like this pork. This is the sirloin.
Top sirloin?
Top sirloin. I got a little bit of fat on it. So it's really tender. Not too much salt. Very, very rare. Also, the lamb chop is surprising.
Surprising, right?
It's actually really good. It really has a nice texture. I actually like it more than the pork. It has more flavor. The pork was dry, but the lamb chop, it's very nice.
Alright guys, I'm gonna tell you how my meats are. About to eat the lamb chop, you gotta eat it like a real man. The lamb here is pretty good. It doesn't have that gamey taste. Like the lamb here is like still pretty juicy, and yeah, it just doesn't have that gamey taste. I prefer the lamb leg though, because that one just has more fat, juicier. This one's still pretty good, guys. This one has to be my favorite meat though. I'm gonna try it again. The top sirloin. This one's really rare. This one is like, I think this one's like full rare, right? I'll show you guys right now. I really like my meat rare though. Usually medium rare, but I could do rare. It has a nice slab of fat to it too. Look at this. You see it? Look how rare this is, guys. That's pretty delicious. The outside is nice and crusted. Has some nice large grains of salt on the outside, where the fat is. And the meat is just super tender and juicy. It's just fire, guys. I'll wash it down with some wine. That's the best meat here by far. Unless they bring up another meat that I haven't tried yet. So this is the filet mignon. It's supposed to be the most tender meat right here. Focus. Alright, back to it. Alright, about to try the filet mignon, guys. It is the most tender. Your teeth just cuts right through the meat, but it's not the most tasty. I think the sirloin still has the crown. The sirloin is the best to me, and then the filet mignon.
So, I'm gonna give myself a taste of the filet mignon. Nice and caramelized. Boom. So it's really tender.
Really tender. Compared to the sirloin. Sirloin is my favorite, so compare it.
The sirloin is more tender, but
You think so? I think this one's more tender.
they're pretty close. I say this one is just as tender, maybe a little bit less, but I'd say it tastes better.
Tastes better?
It tastes better.
Okay, so that's where me and Hai have beef. I like the sirloin better. He likes the filet mignon better.
I like the filet mignon right now. So I would say this. It tastes just right. When I say just right, it's mostly the salt.
Yeah, I like my meat really salty, and yeah, the sirloin's a bit saltier, but I just think it complements how fat it is, you know? I just think it's really good. Yeah, wash it down with some wine though. Salud.
Salud.
Salud, guys. This is for you guys, the mug gang right here. Salud. So I'm gonna try the flank, guys. I'm too lazy to cut it, so I'm just gonna take a bite. This one is probably the juiciest. You can really taste the smoke on the grill. This tastes like a straight barbecue piece of meat. If you're looking for barbecue, this tastes like it just came off the grill. It's really smoky and good. But the other meats are more fine type of meats, I would say. It tastes more like a steak. I still put the top sirloin on top. I guess that's why it's called top sirloin. One more piece, sir? One more. Yes. Perfect.
I'll take one.
Thank you.
I can take a little piece.
Yeah?
It's fine.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. You're welcome. This is spicy picanha, guys. A spicy top sirloin. You know I love the sirloin. See how it tastes spicy. Oh my god. It's so fatty and juicy. It's just every bit as far as the regular top sirloin, except there's like a little kick to it. Spicy picanha, guys. My favorite meat by far, guys, is the king of Brazilian barbecue meats. This sausage. Thank you. Brazilian sausage, guys. All right, me and Hai just finished our lovely dinner. What'd you think, Hai?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Pretty good. I definitely think this is the best all-you-can-eat Brazilian barbecue experience I've had. Barbecue is really good. I think it's better than Fogo De Chao, but I haven't had Fogo in a while, so yeah, we'll see. Like this video, guys. Comment where else we should eat next, and subscribe for more food vlogs. Mukbang for the Mug Gang.